If you get an iPhone and there's no App Store, there's a fix for that. I'm going to show you what that is in this video. So you can confirm there's no App Store by scrolling through all your apps, or just tap on the spotlight search down here, type in App Store, and there sure should be an App Store. You can see something similar here, but this is the Apple Store, not the App Store. This is the physical place where you go and buy your phone. The App Store is where you download apps. But where is it? It's gone, but it's probably just hidden. To get it back, go into the settings, scroll down until you get to screen time, tap on that, and then scroll down and tap on content and privacy restrictions. Go to iTunes and App Store purchases, tap on installing apps, and then tap on allow. You'll have to enter your screen time passcode. Hopefully you know what that is. If you don't, you might have to ask the person who owns the phone or owned it before you to get it for you. And now we have the App Store right there. And now just to prove it to you, if we search for App Store again, it now shows up where it didn't show up before. So if you have these screen time settings to not allow installing apps, the App Store is actually removed from the phone and you can't get it. Next up, you should check out this video right here, which shows you how to find and erase malware and viruses on your iPhone. Super important to know how this works. So check out that video next. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.